Hey everybody, Professor Benelou here with a little motivation for you to start the week and get you into Unit 5. Hi everybody, Professor Benelou, a little motivation for Week 5. Our last chat will be held on Tuesday, which will be the 11th. And we will be discussing the presidencies of Bill Clinton, George W. Bush, and get just a little bit into the presidency of Barack Obama. So I really hope to see you there. I love discussing the different topics, many interesting things to discuss. Your due dates, very important. Your Unit 4 discussion board original post was due on Friday. You need to turn in your Unit 4 discussion board responses by this Tuesday, the 11th at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you do not turn them in by the 11th, they will not be accepted. So get those responses in, everybody, by the 11th. If you haven't turned in the original post, please do so as soon as possible. Also, the Unit 5 due dates, Friday, the 14th of June. Your Unit 5 determinology is going to be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And Tuesday, June 18th, last assignment for this class, your Unit 5 in telepath is going to be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Please get these remaining assignments in and do not hesitate to ask if you have absolutely any questions. Remember, you can do this. Stay CTU strong.